Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Safari and navigate to the web page you want to save. Make sure the page fully loads before you continue. Tap or click the Share button or the bookmarks icon to begin. On iPhone, tap the square with an arrow. On Mac, click the Open Book icon. Choose Add Bookmark to save the page to your collection. Confirm the page title and location in the dialog. Tap Save or press Return to create the bookmark immediately. Select a folder like Favorites or Bookmarks bar to organize the link. If you need a new folder, create one from the dialog menu. Edit the title and URL to make the bookmark clear and concise. Short titles help when the Bookmarks bar displays limited space. Use a recognizable hostname or a custom short name for speed. Tap Save or Done to record your changes and close the dialog. The bookmark now appears in the chosen folder or bar immediately. Open the Bookmarks editor to move, delete, or rename saved links. On iPhone, tap the Open Book icon, then Edit. On Mac, choose Edit Bookmarks. Use drag and drop or context menus to reorder bookmarks quickly. To delete a bookmark, swipe left on iPhone or right-click on Mac and choose Delete. Enable iCloud Safari Sync to keep bookmarks across iPhone and Mac. Check Settings or System Preferences under your Apple ID to confirm sync is enabled. Changes, then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.